Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can add PDF embed or how you can add PDF files to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is PDF embed. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail, and when you got it, click login. Right then you're going to be here in applications and you just want to write PDF in search and you're going to see here PDF embed. So let's create a widget. Right here you can choose between restaurant menu, product menus, or just like PDF like this, or embed research. You can really choose which one you actually want. Let's go continue with the template. Now you can go with a simple PDF file and you just upload your own PDF file. Then you have layout here and you can change the icon settings, also the style. Everything, and then just go to top right and click save. Right after, do you need to choose a plan? If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, enterprise, or choose monthly plan or annual. Let's copy the code here. And let's just write search widget HTML. Let's paste it and let's paste the code here. And voila, here we got it. What you can do also is to just click plus here and create columns. And then just delete this. And just click plus HTML and paste the code to the middle. So you can edit it like this, so you can make it bigger and change the width and everything. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And you can also change the width in the settings of Elsite application. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.